Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix fast charging is not working in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that fast charging is not working in your phone, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing you can try to go ahead to your settings here, and in settings just scroll down, go to battery here, and make sure that your battery protection is enabled and you have selected basic protection from here, because sometimes if you have selected maximum protection, it will maximize your battery health, it will protect your battery, but it will limit your battery charging up to 80% or up to 95%, so you are unable to charge your battery up to 100%. So I recommend you have to select basic from here, then go back, go to charging settings, and make sure that these spot settings are enabled, like show charging information and the fast charging. Once I've enabled, just scroll down. I recommend you have to disable all the unnecessary connections like Wi-Fi calling or location in my case, or if you have anything else, like if you're using cellular or a portrait, do not disturb, a comfort sheet, or anything else or unnecessary connection from here, you can disable that. Once you have done, you can go ahead to settings, and in settings, you can try to check for software update, because sometimes it might be if your phone have any pending software update, so you might get these type of issues. So I recommend you have to make sure that your phone have any pending software update, and then you can scroll in the control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart button again. It will completely restart your phone, so it might get you a better experience after restarting your phone. But if your issue is still not fixed, so I recommend you how to use only the original Samsung charger and the original charging cable. If your charger, if your charging cable is damaged, so you can try to exchange that with a new original Samsung charger or charging cable. Or I also recommend you how to check out your battery, because sometimes it might be that your battery is damaged or it's almost dead or it's not in better condition. So you might get these type errors like the battery won't charge, or like your phone will not give you any better battery timing. So I recommend you how to change your Samsung battery with a new original Samsung battery, so fix these type errors, and after that you may not get any type of issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.